and Company 1996 by them. And this was the Johnny Abrientas era, Bong Hawkins, those guys, Jojo Lastimosa, putting together, always putting together a good team. Itong Alaska Aces, they had their Grand Slam years, partner. Ang ganda ng years nitong si Sir Wacky Trillo dyan sa Alaska Aces.
Well, 30 championship series, 14 PBA championship, sabi nga ni Mr. Uiting so a while ago. And no, championship just last season. Yung middle conference natin, nanalo sila. And when the son was the coach and the manager was the dad.
Yes.
So, good collaboration. Pero back to business tayo. Mag-umpisa na ating third quarter of the Bolts come into the court and set up for defense. Let's turn it over to Nico Ramos before we begin the action.
Charlie, an incredible moment obviously for Mr. Huaki Trillo, and both teams actually took time to stop, look up at the screen and give a standing ovation for what that great man has done, not only for Alaska but for the PBA. And I'm sure Coach Huaki would have it no other way, both teams also spent most of that halftime still focusing on the game, stretching and shooting, and most especially his Alaska team. He was probably one of the first persons to say, "Nah guys, it's not about me, it's about this game," and that's exactly what the players are focused on. Charlie?
Well, tama yun. You gotta focus on the task at hand, you know, just a sidelight yung pag-honor dyan kay Huaki Trillo. But the game, they're trailing by 8 sa pag-umpisa ng ating second half. Able to stop Meralco on the end, on the other end just now. Ito, tinan natin kung makakalapit sila. Down by 8. They want to cut it down. Cyrus Baguio with Espinas, Casio, Ontiveros, and Tos. And a nice pass inside to Gabby Espinas. Yung mga nakaputi naman ng balls is Raba Aluseni, Jared Dillinger, Reyna Lugnatan, Sunday Salvacion, at si Gary David.
Gabby Espinas nakatanggap sa ilalim, knows what to do underneath the basket. Easy layup, good for his 11th point in the ball game.
Here's Dillinger, the double team comes. They go inside to Raba. Raba, very short stint. He started the game, pero 3 minutes in, pinaupo na siya. He didn't get back in. So ngayon, ayan, unang tira niya. It rolls out for Raba Aluseni.
Well, with the entrance of Lakay, Danny Ildefonso, yung kanilang 3 big man rotation will be Reyna Lugnatan, him, and Danny I. So kailangan na makapagpakita siya para tumagal sa front.
JV Casio starts out the second half same way he started out the first. That's a 3-point shot brought to us by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband, and looking for his offense early, which we said is key para sa Alaska.
I have a renewed respect for Jared Dillinger. Talagang siya yung uno talaga dito, partner. Talagang parang nagiging dos is this guy, Gary David.
Great pass inside from David. Papunta kay Raba Aluseni. Ngunit umapak siya sa baseline.
Si Gary,
would have been a great feed. A nice assist sana yun. At first 2 points sana ni Raba yun.
Couple of baskets, a couple of stops, tapos couple of baskets by Alaska brings them to a 3-point deficit na lamang dito, partner. Itong umpisa ng ating third, ano?
Chance to tayo na nga rito. The layup of the follow-up jam. The boss.
Are you kidding me? Wow.
Nice run to start this quarter. Cuts that lead down. It's a 9-0.
What is
We're back inside here, the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Nico Ramos with the man of the moment as of right now, Mr. Huaki Trillo. Why are you leaving us? We're definitely gonna miss you, sir.
I'm not leaving. I'll be here every game, guy. But no, I think 25 years, I think it's time to give a chance to the younger guys to come up. Okay?
Well, what can you say about that great show of respect, not just from your own players from Alaska, but also the Meralco side and pretty much every fan here on their feet giving you that round of applause during the half?
You know, I actually couldn't. I wanted to cry. Honestly speaking, I'm a sucker for I'm sentimental and all that, but it really touched my heart, and I can't say anything about the PBA, the Commissioner's Office, Alaska. I'm so grateful for everything they've done for me, and I think I'll get another 25 years and come back, guy.
Sir Huaki, I hate to keep you, but you show up at the half and everyone puts attention on you, and all of a sudden Alaska is rallying. It looks like you're the lucky charm. They're gonna have to keep you around, really.
Hey, if they don't win, I say another 25 years. So they want me out, they'll win.
I think they might lose just in order to keep you. Back to you guys.
Well, yun na nga. Congratulations kay Huaki Trillo once again. Ito nga, nag-aabol na. Pwede ba lumamang dito? Alaska Aces. Tonton Ontiveros muffing that layup, pero natamaan na siya bago siya nakatira. He'll go to the line with a chance to give his team the lead. They haven't tasted it in some time.
All this happening while Sir Huaki Trillo was being interviewed. So baka kailangan i-interviewin pa siya dahil mukhang magkaka-go-ahead basket after a main free throw from Tonton Ontiveros.
Be a liver lover with Liver Aid Cine Marine Capsule. It's liver lover, boy. John Wilson, pinasok ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Labas muna si Sunday Salvacion. Second free throw doesn't go, so they don't grab the lead, pero natablan din nila. And a good start for them. Starting out this quarter, 8-0 yan. Kaya naman, tabla na tayo at 40 apiece. 9:02 remaining in the third. Cliff Hodge, however, nakuha muli ang lamang para sa kanyang koponan with that jumper.
Much needed basket para dito sa Meralco Bolts. Kanilang unang basket pa lang, partner, from Clifford Hodge itong third quarter.
A miss from Sonny Toth, and Dillinger gets that rebound. And as usual, siya na rin nagdadala ng bola. Stop from the dime. Hinahanap si Gary D. Hindi na mapuntahan. The reach in mula kay Cyrus Baguio. That's going to be a foul on Cyrus Baguio. That's going to be his first personal in this game.
Sometimes nakikita mo rin no, yung pagka hindi sanay na point guard, no, pinapatay yung bola, wala pang receiver, wala pang tatanggap, wala ka pang mapapasahan. Yun, nakita natin doon, a little bit evident. Oh! Pero big three-pointer by El Granada, Gary David.
That's brought to us by PLDT Home DSL, ang #1 home broadband, and Gary D stretches the lead to 5. So sumagot agad itong Meralco after nahabol sila at 40. They go to Casio. Kay Sanitos, he's got a lay to the basket, but he misses the lefty layup.
Makikita natin kung ma-extend nila a little 5-0 run para dito sa Meralco Bolts, ano?
Sabi nga nila, game of runs ang basketball. Naka-run na yung Alaska ngayon. Meralco naman trying to go on a longer one. They got 5 points strung together. Hugnatan with the contact. Ang kanyang hook shot hindi pumasok. Here's TDLC with a rebound. Pushing it ahead kay Casio. Ngunit nakababa ng depensa ng Meralco Bolts. They go down to Espinas, anticipated by Wilson. Goes right back to De La Cruz. 14 seconds on that shot clock. Casio creating some space. Falling away. Pasok na.
Beautiful move galing dito kay JV Casio. 1-2 dribble. A little bit of a nudge para may separation shot. Tapos buries yung kanyang 16-footer JV Casio.
45-42. Meralco still hanging on to that lead. They haven't lost it since they took it over sa gitna ng ating first quarter. John Wilson's three-point shot. That's brought to us by PLDT Home DSL. The #1 home broadband lead is back to 6.
Right back at siya, sabi ni John Wilson. Kanyang unang puntos lang sa ating ballgame. 3-point shot.
Casio gusto bawiin yan. That's too strong. It hits the back rim. And on the loose ball, Tony De La Cruz na foul ito si Gary D. 7:02 mark ng ating third quarter. Palitan ng tao. Reynalog natin. Uupo muna si Lakay. Pinasok na muli nito si Ryan Gregorio. RJ Azul will replace Don Ontiveros. And Calvin Abueva comes in for Gabby Espinas.
Well, like you said, partner, it's played in spurts. Ano, nakakita tayo opening ng quarter, Alaska run, biglang run of their own itong Meralco Bolts, 5-0 run, tapos eto na naman kagad ng Alaska, pero Meralco Bolts with a nice 6-point lead. Ito nga papunta sa half ng ating third quarter.
Gary, another 3, it's short. TDLC, rebound yan. JV Casio bringing it up slowly. Goes to Calvin Abueva, to Sonny Toth. He's in the post. Short jumper, bounces in for the big man.
Nice strong move galing dito kay the boss, Sonny Toth. Ano, one strong crab dribble, puts the ball up. Sa harap niya si Lakay Daniel Defonso, pero may konting soft touch yung kanyang parang jump hook. Ano? So Sonny Toth finishes that.
12 puntos na para kay Sonny Toth. Lakay, it's tapped away. He recovers, goes inside to Gary, the jumper from 12. Defonso taps it to the wrong guy. Ito na red shirts. Chance makalapit. 4 ang hinahabol nila. RJ Azul. De La Cruz to Sonny Toth. 10 seconds on the Alaska shot clock. Azul. Inside to Sonny. Goes over to Abueva. Nice setup job with the ball.
Nakakatuwa pag mga interior passing na ganyan, partner, that's not easy kasi mga dinadaanan ng mga kamay. Ang daming tao dyan sa may shaded area, pero that time successful. Sonny Toth to a wide open Calvin Abueva for a layup.
5 minutes 36 remaining. Dito naman 12 on the score. That's brought to us by Tanduay Ram. Celebrating Ram excellence since 1854. Cliff Hodge naman. Pasok ng tira para sa Meralco Bolts. Balik sa 4 na lamang ng Meralco. 5:24 remaining in the third.
Anong puntos na yun, partner? Cliff Hodge.
Casio. Defonso came out to stop the dribble. Inside to Sonny Toth. Loses his balance. And Cliff Hodge is going to be called for a personal.
Not quite sure where the foul came from para dito kay Cliff Hodge, ano? I was looking at the ball, no? Sa taas tayo nakatingin as we see Nice layup galing dito. No, this is the Casio miss and the nice slam dunk put back galing dito kay Santos.
That is an LBC move of the game brought to you by LBC. We like to move it. The short shot mula rito kay Hazul. But TDLC saves it. 3 seconds on the clock. Casio puts it up. In and out. Rebound. Taken by Lakay. Tapik ni Hazul palabas. Ball will go to the Meralco Bolts.
This place would have gone bananas, partner, kung naipasok ni JV Casio yung kanyang 3-pointer na yun, ano?
Well, good awareness para kay Casio. He was gonna bring it back out. Nakita niya, uy, shot clock. Dalawa na lang. Tinira na niya. Almost drilled it. The lob goes into David. It was too high for Gary David, pero may tulak mula sa likod si TDLC. Huli ng ating baseline referee.
Kumbaga, partner, nawala na sa eksena. Nawala sa picture si Gary David that time. So, a very obvious push galing dito kay Tony De La Cruz. Matatawagin siya ng foul dyan.
Artadi the bounce to Gary D. Hands in the air. The reverse. Ang guwapo naman noon.
Alam mo, I think last game he did a similar move. Itong si Gary David, parang paborito niya yung reverse layup na ganyan. Nice finish galing kay David.
Much to the light of MVP. Nakita natin, pumapalakpak si Mr. Pangilinan on the great Gary David incursion inside. And the lead is back to 6, 4:22 remaining. Bagyo na wala sa balance. Sinasa rito kay Abueva. Exploit it away. Cliff Hodge up ahead to Wilson. He'll finish the break.
Nice play galing dito kay John Wilson. Full speed. Hindi na nagpalit ng pace, partner. Tuloy-tuloy pa siya. 100% na takbo. Nice finish sa layup.
Cyrus Baguio was waiting for that contact dun sa kanyang speed move dun sa loob. He gets it from Gary D. Pangalawa. He'll go to the line for 2. Itong si Cyrus Baguio.
Alaska, partner, nakapagpa-deadlock at 40. Pero ito na naman, lumaki na naman sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Meralco Bolts.
May bagong pakain ng ulalam para sa PBA Tropa Fans of the Day. Bagong ulalam Tropa Pack. Busol ng anin. 49 pesos lang. Available in sisig na aftig. Bistik na wala stig at giniling mo baby flavors. Masarap, malaman, convenient. Ulalam Tropa Pack. Di lang basta ulam. Ulalam.
Ang enjoy na enjoy yung isa na sa bubo.
It's a 7-point lead at the 4-minute mark of the third quarter. Paul Artadi with the ball and Gary David and Abueva going at it. Getting really physical.
Well, talagang tinitigasan lang ni Calvin Abueva, standing in the path of Gary David. And well, David didn't like it, so trying to shove itong si Calvin Abueva out of the way.
Alam natin yan ang role ni Calvin Abueva. Try to get the goat of the star player.
Pag tayo, dyan pa rin ako. Sa pwesto. Boom, boom,
sumayaw na yung dalawa. Ayaw naman ni David na magka-partner sila ni Abueva. Kaya naman tawagan ng foul ito si Calvin Abueva. Here's Danny I. 6-second shot clock. Down to Gary D. Turnaround jumper rolls out. Danny I in the right place para sa offensive rebound.
Only 4 boards galing dito para kay Lakay Danny yung Defonso. Pero ito, giving his team some extra possessions.
Jumper from Lakay. It's short. Gets his own rebound. Chasing it. Wanted to pass it over to Gary D. The elbow was out there. Hodge on the layup. Bagsak siya. And you see the teammates rushing over to pick him up. Calvin Abueva pleading his case sa ating referee saying, may siko si Gary David. Hindi naman nakita ng ating referee. So no call. So nasa linya si Cliff Hodge. Drilling the first free throw. This PLDT Home DSL family size bonding is brought to you by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband.
Well, partner, I always say good things happen when you go strong to the basket. Ang ganda ng pagkakat ni Clifford Hodge that time. Hindi niya na-finish yung basket niya pero going strong, na-foul siya. Ito, kanyang unang free throw, napasok niya. His second, yes, 2 for 2. Itong si Cliff Hodge.
Balik muna tayo kay Nico Ramos.
Charlie Sham na. Yan na po ang bilang officially in the third quarter ng fist pump netong si Coach Ryan Gregorio. If you've ever watched a Meralco game live, one of the most fun things to watch, aside from the game obviously, ay yung mga reaksyon netong si Coach Ryan Gregorio. And during this run that is Meralco boys are on, ay talagang napapahiyaw at napapa-fist pump etong si Coach Ryan Gregorio. His boys really feeding off of that energy. Charlie?
Tama yun. They're doing very well. Back to 9 ang lamang ng Meralco. Ngunit, Alaska wants to challenge. RJ Azul's able to retrieve it near the half-court line. They've got numbers. Dalawang Meralco both ang naiwan back there. Gets the layup. Chance for a 3-point play. Azul recognizing that they had numbers. Umatake agad.
Galing, ano man dyan mo makikita mga magagaling na decision-making ng mga players. Ano? RJ Jesus nakawala dun sa dalawang defenders. This is like 3 against 2. Finishes that layup.
Very happy RJ Azul. Jacks for the 3-point play. Those were his first 2 points of the game, but nagmintis sa free throw, 7 pa rin hinahabol ng kanyang koponan. Balik ang bola sa Meralco Bulls. John Wilson ang may tangan, directing Aldefonso to come out and get it. They wanted to go inside to Hodge. It's kicked away by Gabby Espinas. Shot clock at 15.
Still looking for some timing. Itong si Danny Aldefonso. Not a very good pass given to the cutting Clifford Hodge, pero bola will stay with the Barako Bulls.
2.5 remaining sa ating third quarter. David and Abueva talagang bakbakan. And Gary D hits the arcing jumper.
Scorers will score. 1-2 dribble, pull up. Gary David, nice 17-footer, 14 points. As you see, ito na naman. Calvin Abueva naman at saka si John Wilson. Sila dalawa, the two of them get entangled naman.
It's a 9-point lead para sa Meralco, and Coach Luigi just gave Calvin Abueva the look na parang ano ba, well, let's get back into the game, diba? We're down by 9. Meralco may chance ang palakihin pa yan, chance to break into a double-digit lead once again. And Artadi all the way to the basket. Ito si Paul Artadi, the sudden burst of speed.
Tama. Yan ang strength naman din talaga ng isang Paul Artadi, partner. Ang lakas ng kanyang first step, maiiwan rin talaga kanyang guardia. Suddenly, wide open ang kanyang layup. Ano?
Under 2 minutes na natitira dito sa ating third quarter. Hazul pumunta sa post rito kay Gabby Espinas. Labas muli kay Hazul. The 16-foot jumper. It's gonna be off target. And John Wilson, again, a rebound. John Wilson, one of the better rebounding guards in the league.
Good size rin kasi at about 6'2", no? Oh!
Nagawan, big pocket, Tony De La Cruz, and he's gonna lay it in on the fast break. Kailangan ng Alaska yung basket na yun. They were struggling in their past few plays, Jolly, at nakuha niya. Ito si Tony De La Cruz all the way.
Nandiyan yung mga yung problems of not having a pure point guard. Nasundutan ang John Wilson at Tony De La Cruz. Nice open layup. Oh!
Gary D from 3. That's a 3-point shot brought to us by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband, and there was contact, partner. He was waiting for a 4-point play opportunity.
Hindi na tinawag ng ating mga referees, pero Gary David, top of the key, 3-pointers, 17 big points para dito kay El Granada.
Kita natin yan, bagpasa, no hesitation, boom, may konting contact, pasok na pasok.
Landing shooter sa landing area, nandun, pero hindi na let go na ng ating mga officials.
Nakita natin, 12-point lead built by Meralco. Brian Gregorio, knowing, as we see, may caller na naman, ibang player na naman. Abueva wants to take on the entire Meralco Bulls team.
Lahat ng matapat sa kanya, partner ngayon, it's Ray Guevara naman ang...
Si Hadji na yun, binabanggaan naman niya. Abueva gets it on the way up. He gets hit. That's gonna be a foul in the Meralco Bulls. Pupunta naman sa linya itong si Abueva.
That's the thing about Calvin Abueva. You count the positives and the negatives. Minsan kanina, nakakita tayo. Hindi masyado maganda yung kanyang play. I think he fouled Clifford Hodge. Pero ngayon, kanyang atake to the basket strong. He gets a couple of free throws.
He hears it from the Meralco faithful. The boos. And he misses the first free throw. Be a liver lover with Liver Aid Silly Marine Capsule. It's Liver Lover, boy! And they're not loving Abueva. Itong Meralco fans. Dalawang mintis mula sa linya.
Only has 4 points in the ballgame, pero he has 7 rebounds. Itong si Calvin Abueva. That's why he's in the ballgame.
And about 3 takedowns.
About 3 takedowns.
Wilson takes the 3. Nilapit ang bola. Nice move. The jump step. So, katira. John Wilson gets the job done. And the lead has ballooned to 14, Giles. 44.4 natitira sa third quarter. Yung run na yun, biglang iniwan na ng Meralco ang Alaska.
Tama, partner. What a move by John Wilson. Ito ba yung fist pump na inaantay natin? Was that after the John Wilson nice move? Hang in the air, finishing his basket.
Meralco Bulls on a run here sa ating third quarter, 44.4 seconds remaining. Suddenly, it's a 14-point lead. Jolly, nakita natin, doing it on both ends of the court. Meralco shutting down Alaska. Sa kabila naman, panayang pasok ng tira.
Partner, after yung first quarter na biglang bumulusok ang Meralco Bulls, they did not look back tuloy-tuloy, pero naka-deadlock ang Alaska at 14. Na-mention na natin yan kanina, pero ngayon, ganda ng kalamangan itong Meralco Bulls at 14.
It's the biggest lead of the game for either team. Cyrus
Hindi pwede
Baguio.
mag-relax, no? Hindi pwede mag-relax ang Meralco to, partner.
Ito 3-point attempt mula kay Don Tiveros. Almost found its mark. Last seconds at time para sa Meralco Bolts. Chance to extend this lead, which would be great coming into the fourth quarter.
Correct, yes.
The bounce. Tried to go to Wilson. Scramble for the ball. Nakababa na sa higit doon si Casio. Wilson, jump ball. Tinawag ng ating referee. No clear possession there. Sinubukan ni Wilson tumawag ng timeout. Para nung first half, gano'n lang ginagawa nila. Kumabagtak sila.
Well, the thing is kasi pag kukumpul na sa'yo, pag madudumog ka na ng mga 2 or 3 defenders, maganda rin na makatawag ng timeout. Oh, sinupalpal si Artadi ni JB Casio.
Time expires. Casio, good defensive play. Thwarting the Artadi drive. But hey, the story was all about Meralco dito sa ating third quarter. Especially the man they call El Granada. Talagang sunod-sunod ang kanyang tira rito. Binabangga siya dito si Calvin Abueva. It seems the energy of Abueva was transferring via osmosis dito kay Gary David dahil sunod-sunod na ang tira niya. And he played off that
Ginalit.
provocation Kaya naman na-extend yung lead sa 14, 65 to 51.